Thinking about permanently parting ways with Remitly? Let's walk through how to safely and completely delete your Remitly account in just a few easy steps. First, open your Remitly app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. This is really important. You don't want to accidentally delete the wrong account. Next, find your profile or settings section. Usually, it's an icon on the top right or bottom right corner of the app. Tap on it to open your account settings. Now, within the settings, look for a help or support option or something similar. Every app updates from time to time, so it may have a different location. Select help or support to proceed. Once you're in the help section, you'll want to search for close account or delete account. You may need to type it into a search bar. Locate the option to delete or close your account and select it. This may also appear as account closure. Read the instructions and any important information provided by Remitly very carefully. This is where you'll find out about any implications and steps you need to take beforehand. Most importantly, make sure you've withdrawn any remaining balance from your Remitly account before proceeding. Remitly may be unable to return any outstanding amounts if the account is closed. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision to close your account. You may be asked to verify your identity or provide a reason for leaving. Make sure to follow all steps and prompts. Remitly will need to know you are sure about the account deletion. It may take a few business days to fully process the deletion. Finally, once your account is successfully closed, you should receive a confirmation email or an app notification from Remitly, and that's it. You've successfully deleted your Remitly account.